Today we're going to install an aftermarket shift knob on my mom's car. Okay, you can stop now.
I don't want to.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so first you want to take this off. It just snaps off just like that. Cut this here. Okay, so you wanna, this little tab thing down here, you wanna cut this. Try and cut this. This fucking thing is hard as fuck. And these pliers are fucking rusty as shit. So we're going to cut. There we go. And then you just slide it up. Boom. Done. So it's just this little clip that's a little bitch. So we got this little adapter here just in case something like it's like too small, so you put this on, put it over, and then you screw in the screws. What about right there? There we go.
That only took fucking 20 minutes.
Yeah, and I broke partially of it too. So, what you want to do, I've left the broken part. There's this little tab thing that's in there. You want to loosen that, and it kind of gets loose. And then you want to try to screw it off. I broke part of it because we're not using it, but and then it slides off just like that, and you can reuse it. Or you get a new one, which my mom should get a new one. We need a bigger ring. Looks like mom's gonna have to run it without it. Like this, yeah. Okay. So this is how far it goes. So you want to screw it in as far as this piece goes. You want to bottom it out, then line it up, then screw the bottom piece in. Let's get some screws here. And they give you 6 screws and an Allen bit. Hard not to fucking drop this thing. You got it in? Voila! You can snap that back in there. And you're done. So we finished the install. Pretty easy, maybe like a 10-minute install. So if you guys liked the video, you know, like it, share it, comment if you guys want to see any more stuff, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.